Now for the next part of exercise 7, we want to use a data table to calculate what would our monthly payment be if we change two inputs at a time. So we want to substitute different annual interest rates and also different number of years to pay off the loan. So this time, instead of just changing values and entering whatever we have in the column, we may also want to enter variables that we have entered along the row. So now we have a two variable data table. So first, let's enter the formula for the result that we want to analyze, and we want to analyze monthly payment. So we can just set that to E4, and we enter that formula here on the upper left hand corner of the data table. All right, so now that we've set that up, we can select starting from this upper left hand corner here, and we go data, what if analysis, data table. Okay, so this time we have a column and a row input cell. So on the row input cell, which is here, we want to put these values 20, 25, and 30 into B5. And for the column, we want to put it into B3 because column would be the annual interest rate. Okay, so we've set up our data table, and when you click OK, you will see that it immediately calculates the results. Okay, let me zoom in so you can see the table there. So I just have to go and format this with comma and dollar currency, and now you can compare, what would your monthly payment be if you got an 8.5% annual interest rate and 25 years to pay.